Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the types of ductwork in the HVAC system and measurement rules based on the POMI. Before analyze the ductwork through this 3D model, let's see the POMI section first. As the MEP quantity surveyor, you must be familiarized this book, Principle of Measurement International. We can also call as the POMI to identify the measurement rules for the MEP work. So there are many sections are available. So we can see here there are many sections. So the MEP section is starting from the section Q. The section Q indicates the mechanical engineering installation. Under this section there are another subsection Q3, the ductwork. So the page number 18. So let's see the page number 18. So the section Q, the mechanical engineering installation. Under this main section there is a subsection section Q3, ductwork. Under this heading the POMI says 4 types of the ductwork. The first one is the rectangular ductwork. The second one is circular ductwork. The third one is the oval ductwork. Fourth one is the flexible ductwork. So these are the 4 main types of the ductwork mentioned in the POMI. So before start the measurement rules of these type of the duct, I will show this duct through this 3D model. So first we discuss the rectangular ductwork. So you can see here the rectangular duct means the cross section of the duct, it's look like rectangular. The first one you can see here, these are the ducts are the rectangular ducts. So the cross section it's look like rectangular. The second one is circular duct. So you can see here there are circular duct. So it's a cross section, the surface it's look like the circular. So these are the circular duct. The third one is we discussed oval duct. So the oval mean you can see here the cross section. So these are the oval duct. These cross sections look like the oval shape. So that's why we call as a oval type of duct. The fourth one is the flexible duct. So you can see here these are the ducts that's called as flexible. So these are the flexible duct. The flexible mean we can adjust based on our requirement. So these are the 4 main types of the duct. So as a MEP quantity surveyor, we should very clear idea and very clear picture about these 4 types of the duct. Now I am going to show the measurement rules of these types of the duct. The first one is the rectangular ductwork shall be measured by weight. So this is very important measurement rule. So the rectangular mean you should be remember the measurement rule is the weight. The second one, circular, oval and flexible ductwork shall be measured by length. So this is another very important measurement rule. So you have to remember the circular, oval and flexible duct should be measured by length based on the POMI. So some interviews, the interviewer will ask the question to the candidate, the measurement rules of this circular, oval and flexible ductwork. So they will ask something like this. So what are the measurement rule for the circular ductwork, something. So you should be remember. Some interviewer asks some question, what are the sections to be considered for the ductwork calculation. So you have to say the answer like the section Q3.